yung feeling na gusto mong kumita pero ayaw mong iwan yung mga anak mo sa bahay? Yung gusto mong maging present sa milestones nila kahit mga simpleng pag-alaga lang and house chores, pero naiisip mo rin paano ka kikita para sa mga gastusin niyo sa bahay. Kung ganito ka, baka ito na yung sign mo para maging virtual assistant or VA. So, may mga co-parents kasi ako sa single parent support group community namin. Nagtatanong sila kung paano ba mag-VA. So, ito na. Just want to share. Hindi po ako magbibenta ng course. At hindi rin ako mag-invite sa inyo to subscribe to anything. Wala po itong bayad. I just want to share my experience, personal VA experience para makahelp sa iba. Ano ba yung mga topic natin? What is a virtual assistant? What does a VA do for work? When do VAs need to work? And there's a bonus topic at the end of the slides. But before we dive into that, I just want to read a quote from Benjamin Franklin. He that can have patience can have what he will. Ang ibig sabihin nito for me ay kung sino yung may patience talaga, may enough na pasensya, makukuha niya talaga kung ano yung para sa kanya. Yan yung para sa akin ha, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko. But if you have a different perspective on this quote, let me know dyan sa comments. So, ano ba yung pagbe-virtual assistant? A VA is an online worker for businesses and companies globally. May Tagalog na rin dito sa baba. Ang virtual assistant ay isang taong nagtatrabaho online, usually sa mga business owners or companies abroad. Technically, hindi natin kailangan pumunta sa mismong corporate buildings para makapagtrabaho. Only if you have a laptop or a computer and an internet connection, you can be a VA na. Ano ba ginagawa ng VA? Merong mga VAs na executive assistant, online store managers, customer service representatives, and also other creatives, merong social media creators and copywriters, meron ding video editors, etc. And also may mga administrative tasks din, bookkeeping, accountancy, and whatnot. Siyempre marami pang iba. Meron yung mga legal VAs din and healthcare as far as I know. Ngayon, kailan ba dapat magtrabaho ang isang VA? Actually, depende. May mga fixed hours na sinusunod yung ibang VA sa mga clients. Depende yan sa agreement. So, merong mga clients na nasa US. Kadalasan pag US clients, panggabi sa atin sa Pilipinas. Mga European countries, meron ding mga clients dyan. Australia and Asia, meron din naman sa Pilipinas. So, just have to check anong oras sa atin yung oras nila. And there are times na full-time ka nilang kailangan, there are times na part-time lang. So, you can still apply to different companies and clients to boost your income. Meron din tayong tinatawag na flexible hours. Depende yan sa agreement mo with the client as long as yung hours are fully consumed, may deadlines na nami-meet always, and yung outputs are always excellent. So, may mga clients na ganyan ano, binibigyan ka ng freedom to work anytime, as long as nami-meet mo yung expectations nila. Mukhang maganda yung flexible hours 'no, pero may mga downside din yan, both. Next time i-explain ko. Ito yung sinasabi kong bonus topic, mga common questions coming from my fellow, single parents. Do I need to be tech savvy? Hindi daw kasi sila masyadong techy. Actually, not really. Not really, but you need to know computer basics. Kasi you have to be ready to use any tools that will support your uh, responsibilities and tasks sa company na yon. So, you have to learn pa din. Even if you started not really that techy, but at least you know the basic. So, okay na yun. Do I need to have a VA experience? No. Not all clients and businesses are looking for experience. Sa totoo lang, I even started with no VA experience. Actually, lahat naman ng VAs nag-start ng walang experience. You just need to be patient and get that opportunity. How do I start? If you are determined and willing to learn, you need to take action today. So, yeah, if you really want to become a VA, you need to do something. Now, even just watching this free mini series of mine or even watching YouTube tutorials. O malaking bagay na yon. Sabi nga, um, it's better to have a small step than doing nothing. No? So yeah, I hope this day one of the my slideshow was able to help you. Single parent ka man or not, it's okay. So I hope to see you sa next video.